अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है ज़ीवर। आज का टॉपिक है मार्केटिंग इन्वायरमेंट। लेसन नंबर 9 है। हम इसमें बात करेंगे मार्केटिंग इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में। A company marketing environment consists of the actors and forces outside marketing that affect marketing management's ability to develop and maintain successful relationship with its target customers. Being successful means being able to adapt the marketing mix to trends and changes in this environment. Changes in the marketing environment are often quick and unpredictable. The marketing environment offers both opportunities and threats. The company must use its marketing researches and marketing intelligence system to monitor the changing environment. Micro environment. अब इसमें बात करेंगे माइक्रो इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में। द माइक्रो इन्वायरमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 components. द फर्स्ट इज़ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन internal environment. Its several departments and management level as the affect marketing management decision making. The second component includes the marketing channel firm that cooperate to create value, the suppliers and marketing intermediaries. The company itself include department. B as suppliers, C a marketing channel firms, D a customers marketing, E competitors, F public. The company's micro environment. The first force is the company itself and the role it plays in the micro environment is could be need the internal environment. Number one, top management. It is responsible for setting the company's mission, objectives, broad strategies, and policies. Marketing managers must make decisions within the parameters established by top management. Marketing management managers must also work closely with other company departments. ये इसका फिगर अब बनी हुई है। ये इसके एनवायरनमेंट कंपोनेंट्स। ये सप्लायर्स। हम सप्लायर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। सप्लायर्स आर फर्म एंड individuals that provide the resources needed by the company and its competitors to produce goods and services. They are an important link in the company's overall customer values delivery system. One consideration is to watch supply availability, such as supply shortage. Number two, another point of concern is the monitoring of price trends of key inputs. Rising supply cost must be carefully monitored. Marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediaries are a firm that help the company to promote, sell, and distribute its goods to firm buyers. ये अगला है customers. The company must study its customer market closely since each market has its own special characteristics. These markets normally include consumer markets, individuals and households that buy goods and services for personal consumption, business markets buying goods and services for further processing or for use in their production process. ये अगर reseller markets buy goods and services in order to resell them at the profit. Government markets agencies that buy goods and services in order to produce public service and transfer them to those that need them. Competitors. Every company foresees a wide range of competitors. A company must secure a strategic advantage by competitors by positioning their offerings to be successful in the marketplace. No single competitive strategy is best for all companies. ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक। अल्लाह हाफिज़।